How to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for GTA San Andreas. Once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So you need to scroll down and you will have the Rockstar games and Steam. You can go with any option that you're comfortable with. There are two platforms, but it's also available on a lot more platforms, which is PlayStation, Android, Microsoft Windows, and everything. So you can simply go with Rockstar Games, which is right here, and go with Buy Now. And after that, again, click on Buy Now, which is here on the bottom left, and it will ask you to sign in to your account. So you just need to simply go and sign in. After signing in, you may need to enter your date of birth, and after that, it will take you to the payment method. So you just need to simply choose your payment method that you would like to use, and after that, buy for the game. And after buying the game, you'll have the download option. You can download after buying. So that's how you can download. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.